Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position. It is white to play and win. White can win this despite its unequal material. So guys, as always, go ahead, pause the video and guess the move. Best of luck. Okay, white has two rocks and so does black, but white's rock are lined up perfectly and we are about to give the right check and win the game. So the first move is rook d3 to d8 check. So this looks nice and logical. We are giving a check. We are going to just get some kinds of checks, but this move doesn't do anything because black would just play to e7 and black's rook are defended, right? So we can't really make any progress in this position, and this is just going to be a draw, and rook to d8 is not the correct move, right? So we have to give another check, and the other checks are these two checks. So these two checks looks nice and they make us closer to the winning idea. So the first let's look at rook d3 to e3 check first. So this what makes this check different is that we are just making the king to go to the edge of the board, which eventually we are going to just deliver a checkmate, right? So in this position the king has no choice except to move to the corner, right? Slowly but surely we are just forcing the king to move to the corner, and this is going to be just checkmate, right? So this is almost a checkmate, but now the rook can block this, and this is not checkmate. And if we just capture the rook, the other rook, black's rook, would just capture back, and this is once again a draw because it's a rook against a rook and we can't do anything. And instead when black blocks the check, we don't take immediately, but we move the rook to h3. This move looks good, and black has to just capture the rook. Otherwise, if black move the king, we just capture the rook, black's rook, and we would end up with two rocks against one rock. So it's obvious black has to take this, and we take with check. So when black moves, we are going to just capture this. This is the idea of the puzzle. But now in this position, after we capture the rook, the black rook, black is not going to play king to g5. Black can play to g4, king to g4, and attack our rook. Now in this position we have to save our own rook. Otherwise, if we just try to capture black's rook, we are going to lose ours as well, and this is once again a draw, right? So this is not the solution, you might say, but let me bring you back to the first position, which is this position, the first position of the puzzle. So in this position, this is not the correct move. Instead, rook d1 to e1 is the correct move, right? So again, with the same idea, black is forced to the edge of the board, right? So black is, by the way, black has to move closer to these rocks. That is the best move. If black would move to straight to the h8 square, it would be just easy for us, right? So we give another check. Look at the rocks are just building a wall, and now in this position the king can't play to the h file, right? Because this is going to be just checkmate, and no matter what black does, there is no rook to block to go in between the check and save the black king. So now the logic is the king cannot move to the h file, otherwise this is going to be just checkmate, right? So with that idea, black has to defend that with the rook. So how do we win this? Yes, we are going to play rook to g3 check, and now black has to take this. We take with check, and black has to move as well, right? Black has to move the king, and we are going to just capture the rook safely, and our rook is safe, and we are going to just deliver checkmate with one rook, right? So that is what we are going to do. And for some of you wondering, black can get in between way before the checks, but we can play the same idea by playing rook to e3, and black has to take this. We take, it's a check, black has to move, we capture the rook. So that is what we are going to do. So this is for recap, rook d1 to d1 is the first move, and black can't block this, otherwise we are going to play rook to e3 and win the game. So black has to retreat this way, we give this check. Black has to move to the g file, we give this check, and now black is forced to block. Otherwise, if black moves to the h file, we are going to just deliver the checkmate. So for that reason, black has to block, and we don't take this, we play rook to g3. Black has to take the rook, we take the rook with check. Black, when black king moves, we just capture the other rook. And this is the whole variation of the puzzle. So guys, if you found this entertaining, make sure to subscribe my channel. I will see you next time. Bye.